Hello everyone. The new judge presiding in the Senzo Meyiwa trial said the 5 murder accused could reapply for bail. Judge Makgotleng said that you have the right to apply for bail. What happened in the past is the past. Makgotleng said the 5 accused could reapply for bail because the court has nullified the previous trial. He said they could launch their applications with a different court. The case is taking place in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria. Bongani Ntanzi, Musika Ukhalela Sibiya, Mthokozisi Ncube, Mthokoziseni Maphisa and Fisokuhle Ntuli are detained at several prisons including Kgosi Mampuru and Leeuwkop Correctional Service Centers. The new judge said the accused needed to receive new indictments to inform them of the charges so they could plead again. The 4 of the accused told the court that they had received the new indictments on Friday. Sibiya was the only one who said he had not received it. Last month, President Cyril Ramaphosa suspended Gauteng High Court Judge Chifiwa Maumela, who had initially presided over the trial. In April, the Judicial Service Commission suggested that Maumela and Judge Nomonde Mgabisa be suspended and that a judicial conduct tribunal be established to consider complaints that they had failed to deliver numerous reserved judgments within stipulated time frames. The defense lawyer, Advocate Zandile Mshololo, said the defense needed to engage the state on the evidence that would be presented in the new trial. She said, "Can I ask that we don't take it for granted that the state will do everything the same? Can we be allowed to discuss the issues pertaining to a pre-trial conference with the state before we proceed to trial? The case will continue today." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.